Так, не заражай меня.
It started with me and you and we used to be the friends that no one could take. Never thought that we could break apart. So now I'm just waiting alone somehow, so we can't be together now. I never imagined an end. When we were together, we used to be the friends that no one can take. Now we can't be together, and I never thought that we could break apart. 3 years with you has gone so fast. I know I can't live in the past. I can't erase, I can't replace. So why has this happened? Playing and laughing all the time, but now all you do is complain and whine. I was like you were like me. So why did you change? When we were together, we used to be the friends that no one can take. Now we can be together, and I never thought that we could break apart. You were the one with who I used to be, and you were the one who I am me now. You are the one who ignores me, and you are the one who doesn't want to be with me.
Блять, она смотрит на дебила. Ну, помнишь? Полина я! Меня зовут Зоба. Полина я. Короче, привет. Мы хотим поздравить вас с днем... Блять, каким днем? Днем Святого Августа.